going to learn a few things about posting on a WordPress blog. So I've got demo post here, and these are just a few simple things that you may not know if you're new to WordPress. So I'm going to come down in this demo post, and I want to add a picture. I think it's really important to have a picture or video. So I'm going to create a little space. I like to do that first. I'm going to go back up. I'm going to click Add Media. Now, if I have pictures, which I do, I have a lot of pictures in my library, I can very easily come in and get any one of these pictures if I want to use them again. And all I got to do, if I want to get this picture here, I click on it until I see that it's checked. It'll show up over to the right, and it already has my previously used title and caption and all that, and I would just click Insert, and that would go into my post. If I want to upload something, I can come down, I can click Select File, and if I go into my desktop, I can find pictures in here, and I double click on that, and it'll come in, and then it's going to show up over here. You see it loading, and once it's loaded, again, I can click on it. You do have to click on it, and when I do that, I can now just hit Insert into Post, and I'll see what I've got. But I like to have my pictures in the middle at the top. You can put pictures in other places. I can click, this is an edit button, and I can click on it, and let's say I want to move this one to the right, I can do that. Click Update, and it moves that picture over to the right. One of the things that's really important to remember is that we want a featured image on our home screen. Usually that's the same picture as this. So what I might do is come down and just click Set Featured Image, and again, I would just pick one, but it's really important to do this, and then I would just click Set Featured Image, and it shows me down there that I have that. It's easy to forget this when you're posting a blog or an article to your blog, because it's sort of off the screen at the bottom, so you want to remember to do that. I have categories over here, so if you've got categories on your blog, you want to click on your categories. Now if you click Featured, it puts it on the home screen top if you have the theme that we have. So I wouldn't put it in Featured. We don't have that many featured posts. So you have to decide what is the content. So for me, is it innovation, inspiration? If it's a technology post, I would click that. Social media, strategy. This is an education blog, so if it's strategy in the classroom, I would click that. If it's about assessment, project-based learning, that kind of stuff. Tags are a little different. This helps with searches, so a little different from categories. So again, if I'm writing about grades, I just type grades and click Add. And we don't want more than, I would say, 2 or 3 tags, but that's what we do with tags. Make sure this defaults to the administrator, the main administrator of the blog. So I've got different people in here who are contributors, so you'd want to make sure you come in and pick yours, and you don't have to do anything down here. So those are some basics for posting to a WordPress blog. Most importantly, our picture up here, and don't forget your featured image down here. It can be the same as this if you want, and that is it. So have fun with WordPress.